Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products for students, travelers, and anyone looking to stay safe. Today, we're diving into the best first aid kit for dorm rooms, and it comes with a handy thermometer included. The Dorm Doc 175-piece first aid kit is a must-have for college students. Whether you're in a dorm room, studying abroad, or just traveling, this kit ensures you have everything you need to handle minor health issues and injuries with ease. This compact and portable first aid kit is packed with over 175 essential items that cover a wide range of needs. It includes bandages, gauze, medical tape, antiseptic wipes, and even non-latex gloves to keep you safe and prepared for any situation. One of the best things about this kit is that it also comes with 6 different over-the-counter medications. Whether you're dealing with a headache, upset stomach, or even a cold, you'll find the relief you need right inside the kit. The Dorm Doc First Aid Kit is designed to be compact, so it fits perfectly into a backpack, dorm room drawer, or even your car, making it incredibly convenient and easy to store. It's ideal for students, as it not only keeps them prepared for common dorm room mishaps like cuts, bruises, and sprains, but it also helps manage those everyday health annoyances without needing to run to the pharmacy. Now, let's talk about what makes this kit even more unique. It includes a thermometer, something that's often missing from most first aid kits but is essential when you're not feeling well. Whether you're checking for a fever or just keeping an eye on your health, it's a great addition to this all-in-one solution. The kit size is perfect for on-the-go use, and the bag it comes in is durable and easy to carry, whether you're heading to class or on a weekend getaway. Not only does the Dorm Doc kit cover health issues, but it's also about peace of mind. With a compact kit that contains everything from antiseptics to pain relief medication, you're always ready to handle minor injuries or sickness, which can pop up at any time. And because it's designed specifically for students, it's tailored to provide quick and effective solutions for those living away from home, giving them the confidence to focus on their studies and activities without worrying about minor health setbacks. To sum up, if you're a student living in a dorm, traveling, or just looking for an all-around emergency kit, the Dorm Doc 175-piece first aid kit is the one you want. It's compact, includes essential medications, a thermometer, and provides everything you need to handle those small health emergencies that are bound to come up. Grab one today and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of the best products to make your life easier.